it's Tato Gaming, and today we are doing an Among Us character build a boat for treasure. Kale already placed his seat in the motor, so now it's time for me to place my seat. Wait, I want to place my royal chair on his mask. Okay, I see it. I like my spot. I am the leader of the Among Us character. I wonder how far this is going to make it. We also gave him a plunger hat, if you haven't noticed. I think Kale did a really good job with the plunger hat. I thought it was going to look a little different. But no, it looks good.
It versus the thing that took a lot of strength.
Yep. I'm trying to turn my volume all the way up so they can hear you more. Kale?
What?
Okay, I was just saying with the button this stuff. Oh wait! Oh, he's dodging everything, man! I am the leader of the Among Us character. Even though you're controlling him. Oh! Let's pretend that there's an imposter behind us. Oh no, we gotta run. Wait, no, we're the imposters. So we're trying to catch up to crewmates. Kale, no! 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 I'll win the Among Us character for us. Wait. Okay. I'm trying to control it.
I'll start making a boat.
Okay. Okay. It's done. The part of the plunger that you hold is gone.
It is?
Yeah. It's hard to control this.
It's gonna be a normal flat boat. No, but it's not going to be. I have an idea.
Sorry that we couldn't do the penguin boat thing. I had to eat lunch right about then because I got McDonald's. Kale does not like McDonald's. I'm trying to dodge as much rocks as I can. Oh no! Still going. I like how we're making like characters now for our Among Us abilities. Wait, not Among Us, building.
This was meant to be a character though.
I know. For the penguin one, I would have got another boat. Oh no! I got run over by the candy train. Now I can't see. Okay, nothing lost. The Among Us character still looks the same except for the part of the plunger that you hold. That was gone because it was made out of wood. Oh, I got the carnival one. I don't want to die. I'm making it far. And this whole, and it's gonna be, the title is literally called Build a Boat for Treasure, Among Us Boat. No, that was the last video. Oh my gosh, I keep getting, this level is annoying. I'm trying to make it as far as I can, but I'm on the hammer one. I'm the one who's controlling it now. I hopped out of my seat to get on. Oh no! The boat flipped over. The boat flipped, yes, it flipped back onto its side.
Just die.
No, Kale, the whole video is about the Among Us boat. Woohoo! It flipped over again. Part of the Among Us body is definitely destroyed. You can see like its leg and the part by its mask. Oh, part of its mask is getting destroyed.
I dare you to jump. I dare you to randomly jump.
No.
Just jump. Okay. Might not fall off. Jump.
Okay, I exited. Oh, I didn't fall off. So I'm not in the chair anymore. Oh, the motor is gone. The motor is gone.
Double jump.
No, I didn't do it. I only hopped out of my seat, but I was still on. I'm getting actually kind of close. Well, the seat on the mast is now gone. I can't. It's all up to me, Kale. Make the Among Us character go as far as it can go.
Oh, you're both being wrecked.
I know. Wait, how do you know? Oh, yep, it is getting wrecked. Yes. Oh no. Woohoo! And right into the people. Oh no! Well, I just lost my whole boat. I just lost my whole boat. Yeah, I made it far though with the Among Us boat. That was actually. Did it make farther than the penguin boat? I think it did.
Did you die?
Okay, I'm coming. Where's my boat? Oh, are we doing a motorboat race?
Yeah.
Okay, let me place my stuff quick.
I call this motorboat the Speedster. Mine is the Speeds. These are the Speedsters. They go extra fast. These are small. And they don't tip over as easily.
For the penguin boat, when I was standing up, it fell.
I know. It randomly fell.
I mean, I pretty much knew that was gonna happen. It needed more thickness on the bottom.
Thick.
What the? My motor's gone. That's not letting me get on my chair. This is weird.
It's back.
What? Oh, I'm in. Oh, you started. Whoa. Okay, I'm going.
I'm gone. I'm really good at driving.
I'm fine at it. With small boats.
Yeah, I'm better at driving.
Probably.
Like last time, I just didn't.
In our last video, we made an amazing discovery. It might have been on the Apples to Pears one or the Penguin one. We discovered that taco in Spanish is baco. Rojo baco. Oh no! Oh, just got hit. Oh no, I did not see that. Oh no, I got hit again. What the? It just turned me over. I've gotten hit twice on this level. And I've gotten hit twice at all. Probably you. I mean, this level, in this level there's a lot of stuff. I got hit once. What? What's happening? Oh, that means I'm gonna win the race. Keep going. Whoa! I got flipped by the lily pad too. Wait, no. Oh, my thing flipped back over, but then it flipped back, and then it flipped back over. Now I'm at orange health, but I'm still in. Oh, I'm almost past the level. I'm almost dead though. I made it past the level. Oh no, I'm on the hammer one. Now I died. I still made it farther. Bennett wins the race. Well, guys, that was our Among Us character. Make sure to like and sub. Bye. We already mentioned this, but baco is taco in Spanish. Yep.